Yeah, James. Who's that?
Okay. Time for sneezing challenge.
Who's that?
Well, it's our first commenter. Anyway,
Who's the first commenter?
Caden Wolf. So we gotta get a sneezing challenge for him, okay? He didn't sneeze.
Again, dude.
He didn't sneeze.
Please don't forget to reply.
Sneeze.
Comment down below.
He doesn't sneeze, Mel. Professor. This is gonna work very well. He does not sneeze well. He does not have good allergies. Okay. Try not to sneeze. Well, I try not to trip challenge. Anyway, sneezing. I know. These have touched a lot of junk. This might make him sneeze. Nope. It did make him say ew. Now, there's nothing that can make that a sneeze, I don't think. Wait. Sometimes tickles make people sneeze. So tickle, tickle, tickle. Coochie, coochie, choo. Coochie, 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 choo. Nope. He's barely even sneezable. He's barely sneezable, guys. Bye. Sorry. And sub. Squaw.